So now you can see that we've got the shape coming through, the same as the other panel. It's comes through at about a 12, and got this coming through at about a 12. So we generalise the shape of the panel. So now I'm just going to shrink down this edge here just to get that to conform, so that we're then ready for the next stage, which is a little bit of stretching and fluting. Also got to shrink down on this back edge because we have a little bit of a drop on the panel, so it's got to conform through there too, so taking into mind we are changing the shape of the panel, initially getting that crowned up, but we've still got a little shrinking in the back and a little shrinking in the middle. Don't want to be too aggressive on the shrinker, but we want to get enough to bring that over. And I don't want to leave all kinds of ribs, so a little teeth mark aren't too bad, but I don't want to have all kinds of ribs and such like in the panel. And I'm doing it, so I'm doing it very progressively, just enough to move the metal and get it to conform and drop over. Going in just deep enough so that I can get that to get to the right angle, and we'll come back on the back side too. We'll do a little bit while we're here, and just to get that to conform as well. On the back side we have this extra material because we're going to drop a flange, so the flange is going to be a 3/4 inch flange that's tipped down. Very progressively, so you can see now we have the little tip come down. We've got the roll over on the top of the panel. We'll try it out, see what we've got shape-wise. Looks like I could come with a hammer, but not too bad. You see the little gap that we have in there, that's supposed to be there, but you can see how now the panel is starting to conform to the right angle. Starting to set a little better, just a little fluting needed on that side. Almost ready for our tip on that side. Looking at the panel and the profile, so all I've got to do now is marry up the shape just through here. We have a little bit of a flat from here to here, which will be done with the English wheel, and a little bit of blending and smoothing. And then we can get into the next stage.